Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss difference between white and brown adipocyte. The color of the white adipocyte white to yellowish, brown adipocyte brown in color due to the presence of large number of mitochondria. Mitochondria is few and poorly developed in white adipocyte, but in brown adipocyte mitochondria are many and well developed. These two are the electron microscopic picture of the white fat and brown fat. This is the single fat droplets of the white adipocyte. This is the nucleus, the thin rim of the cytoplasm which contains the poorly developed mitochondria, and these are the pinocytic vesicles. This brown fat this is the nucleus of the brown fat, this is lipid droplets, and this is well developed mitochondria. White adipocytes are predominantly found in adult, but brown adipocytes are predominantly found in fetal life and diminish during the first decade after birth. The location of the white adipocyte is subcutaneous tissue, the visceral pericardium, orbital cavity, rectoperitoneal space, bone marrow, mesentery. So these are the locations of the white adipocyte. The location of the brown adipocytes is on the back, along the upper half of the spine and toward the shoulder. In adult, it's gradually decreased. The brown fat at first decade of life is situated in the cervical region and the paravertebral region, mediastinal region, sternal region and abdominal region of the body. Then it disappeared from the most of the site except for the region around the kidney, adrenal gland, large vessels, region of the neck and region of the back, interscapular and paravertebral and thorax. The white adipocyte contain unilocular fat, a single large fat droplet is contained, but a brown adipocyte contain multiple flat droplets. This is the histological picture of the white adipocyte and brown adipocyte. You see this whitish area is due to the presence of single fat droplet which wash out during the histological slide preparation, and this thin pinkish area is the cytoplasm, and this is the nucleus of the white adipocyte, and it's look like the ring shape. This is the brown fat. You see the location eccentrically located nucleus, and there is a multiple fat, multiple whitish area. It's look like spongy appearance, so it's because these fat droplets are washed out during the histological preparation of the slides. So the size of the white adipocyte is much bigger than the brown adipocyte. It is diameter about 100 micrometer, but the brown adipocyte size is much lesser than the white adipocyte. It is diameter is 10 to 25 micrometer, and you see this is the white adipocyte and these are the brown adipocytes. The white adipocyte contain less capillary. You see this is contain less capillary, and the brown adipocyte contain large number of capillary. The development of white adipocyte. Developmental so mesenchymal stem cell, then it converted into the adipoblast, and which is converted into P adipocyte, and P adipocyte is converted into committed white adipocyte which contain multiple lipid droplets, and these lipid droplets is united and form a single lipid droplets, and white adipocyte is formed. And this pre-adipocyte also form some inducible brown adipocyte. You know, due to the exercise and for taking some specific food in adult, the amount of brown adipocyte can be increased. Now the development of the brown adipocyte. Brown adipocyte is developed from the mesenchymal stem cell, but separates lineage, the myogenic lineage, which from the myoblast, myotube, and skeletal muscle. And this myogenic lineage also form the committed brown pre-adipocytes and brown adipocytes. And you see the brown adipocyte can be converted into white adipocyte, and white adipocyte can be converted into brown adipocyte. Another important thing, the UCP1 gene expression. UCP genes means the uncoupling protein genes. These protein are present in the inner cell membrane of the mitochondria, and they are transport electrons, and in non-thermogenic in non-shivering thermogenesis is produce heat, and this UCP protein genes is present in brown fat but it absent in white adipocyte. The white adipocyte contain less unmyelinated sympathetic nerve, but brown adipocytes contains more unmyelinated sympathetic nerve. The white adipocyte tissue made up about 15 to 20% of the body mass in men of the normal weight, and it represents 20 to 25% of the body mass in women. The brown adipocyte tissue make up to the 5% of the total body mass in case adult. The white adipocyte few sympathetic nerve fiber, and brown adipocyte high density of the sympathetic nerve fiber. In white adipocyte, sympathetic innervation regulate the cascade of lipogenesis to convert stored triglyceride into free fatty acid and glycerol that can be used as a fuel of the other tissue. In brown adipocyte, the sympathetic innervation regulate non-shivering thermogenesis, and free fatty acid are transferred into the mitochondria primarily by the carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1 and serve as a fuel for beta oxidation. UCP1 is the activated to dissociated respiratory chain of the ATP production and ultimately dissipated energy as heat. So the UCP protein genes are present in the brown adipocyte, which are responsible for productions of the heat in non-shivering thermogenesis. This is the electron microscopic picture of the white adipocyte. This is the electron microscopic picture of the brown adipocyte. See the multiple flat droplets. And picture C, this picture is showing the immunohistochemistry, and this tissue is stained by the immunostain, specific UCP1 immunostain, to see the presence of the UCP1 genes. So you see this is the brown fat. So brown fat, within the brown fat UCP1 genes are present, so it takes stain. And this is white adipocyte, it is devoid of staining, so the UCP1 gene protein is absent here. In this picture you show this is the brown fat and these are the white fat, but there is this brown fats take more staining, but this brown fat take less staining. So these are the transitions between white adipocyte and brown adipocytes. These are the electron microscopic picture of the white adipocyte, and this is the electron microscopy picture of brown adipocyte. You see, this is the lipid droplet, this part of the lipid droplet showing here. These are the nucleus, and the thin ring of the cytoplasm contain the poorly developed mitochondria, rough endoplasmic reticulum, pinocytic vesicles. And here you see the nucleus and lipid droplets, and well developed and a large number of the mitochondria. The white adipocyte decreased lipogenesis responds to environmental stress or cold exposure. What happened in white adipocyte? Decreased lipogenesis, increased lipoprotein lipase activity. And what happened within the brown adipocyte? Increased lipogenesis, decreased lipoprotein lipase activity. So the response is opposite. The growth and differentiation throughout the entire life from the stromal vascular cell, and this growth is mainly occur during the fetal period and decrease in adult life, exception individual with pheochromocytoma and Havernoma. The function of the white adipocyte: it acts as a metabolic energetic storage, insulation, cushioning of the vital organ, secretion of the hormone, source of metabolic water. The function of the brown adipocyte is presence of large amount in newborn, which prevent the excessive heat loss by the heat productions that result from the newborn high surface to mass ratio, avoid lethal hypothermia, a major risk of death for premature babies. So this is all about difference between white adipocyte and brown adipocyte. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.